Hi, my name is Tusita Karunaratne. I'm a PhD student at Pirbright Institute. I'm a Commonwealth scholar. My research area is on avian influenza viruses. Avian influenza virus is having a huge impact on the poultry production and also at the global level in the public health. Specifically, my research project is focused on effect of internal genes on development of escape mutants and in turn long-term evolution of avian influenza viruses. My typical day is highly variable depending on the weekly schedule, but in general it is a mixture of lab experiment, discussion and presentation. Most often we are recording whatever data that we are getting. I'm from Sri Lanka. I did my undergraduate in veterinary medicine and animal science in University of Peradeniya in Sri Lanka. I did my masters in the University of Hong Kong in Hong Kong. I did my masters on the influenza virus. That makes me more motivated to do a PhD on the same virus in a different angle. So I came here in the UK at the Pirbright to achieve my target. When I am looking for the PhD opportunities in the UK, I got to know that the Pirbright Institute, and it is a well recognized institute. So when I am looking for the opportunities, they were very happy to offer me a PhD placement, and I am happy here. Now I am here. It is an honor to say that I am a Commonwealth scholar. And as we all know, the Commonwealth Scholarship is a very competitive program. So the Pirbright Institute and the supervisor here in Pirbright Institute has supported me to acquire the Commonwealth Scholarship. Getting a good accommodation facility for the PhD student is a very big task. But I am happy to say that when I am landing here in UK, Pirbright Institute has already arranged my accommodation in their accommodation facility. As an international PhD student, getting a visa is another task. There are many documents that they require to offer me a visa. But I am happy to say that the Pirbright Institute has prepared and sent the document that I need for my visa application without any problem. Being a PhD student in the Pirbright Institute, we can participate for several activities which are organized by the Pirbright Institute, such as student clubs, scientific seminars, and some of them are outreach programs. One of the best example is the scientific seminar that the Pirbright Institute organized every week. So we have a very good opportunity that we can get most of the outside knowledge which we can use in our bench in the next day morning. So most of the knowledge that we acquired in the scientific seminars can be applied in future in our life. Students in the Pirbright Institute were given many training opportunities, which include academic and training, management practices, leadership, communication, which will be very useful in our future as a scientist. As a scientist, every day we are trying to answer some challenging scientific questions. So every day we are in the challenging environment. I myself personally like to be in a challenging environment. Once I return to my home country, I would like to establish a lab which I can share my knowledge and apply those knowledge in the field conditions. Also, if I can translate my knowledge into the project or the process which the normal ordinary society can be benefited, would be a great. I can say that doing a PhD in a Pirbright is one of the best opportunities that I have had in my life. Doing a PhD project is not an easy task, but I would say that if you love what you are doing as a project, you will be drive to the end and the success.